I am so excited for the weekend. I finally get to hit the road and go on a little adventure. Wait, hit the road? Why would you hit a road? That sounds dangerous. Hit the road means to start a journey or trip. Noor is saying he is going to travel somewhere. Oh, you mean you are going on a trip? You should just say that. Well, how about you? Any plans? Yeah, I am going hiking, but I don't want to go to the same place again and again. I get it. You don't want to be stuck in a rut. Stuck in a rut? What's that? Be stuck in a rut means doing the same thing over and over and feeling bored. Noor is saying alom wants to do something new. Oh, okay. I just want to see new places. That makes sense. You should take the plunge and try a really challenging hike. What plunge? I don't want to jump into water. Take the plunge means to try something new even if it feels scary. I'll think about it, but I don't want to get too tired. Yeah, you don't want to burn out. Burn out? That sounds terrible. Am I going to catch fire? Burnout means becoming too tired because of working too much or not taking breaks. Okay, so I need to rest too. Got it. Exactly. Enjoy your hike and make the most of it. What do you mean? How do I make the most of something? Make the most of it means to enjoy something as much as possible. Alom was confused, but you won't be. Idioms make English more natural and fun, so keep learning and practicing. And if you learn more idiom, you can watch this video. And let me know in the comments below which idiom did you learn today. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.